In my hand, this is one type of LED front lights. For this type LED front lights, we can do 60 watt and 80 watt. The voltage, it is very special. It is 110 or 120 volt or 240 volt or 277 volt. So this type of LED lamp is single phase voltage. So we can see from here, this is the inside is the 3030 luminous LED chip. We use the IC driver inside, put in the circuit board. The special part is the mounting. This is Knuckle mounting. Knuckle mounting. So in United States, this type is very popular selling. And also the whole lamp is waterproof. So you just don't worry about it used in outside. We already tested the lamp under the water to make sure it is waterproof. Okay, this type we can see from here. This is the slip filter mounting. New different mounting solution, slip filter. You can install into the street light, to the round pole, and also this is a shade of here. If you want to change the beam angle of the lamp, you can use this type and let the light more focus. And also this lamp we can install with the U bracket. If you want to do the lamp with the U bracket, change it, install on the wall, you can use this type. Different type of the mounting solution. So you can use in the different places. Just buy one lamp, and you can do more stock as well. Because if you just buy one type and then you buy 3 different type of accessory, you can use in different places. Okay, thank you.